Welcome, in front of me is Xiaomi Redmi 13, and in this video I will show you what to do if you cannot access your system using your screen lock pattern. The first thing that you should try to do is remember the pattern that worked for you the last time you accessed the system, and in case you cannot access the system by using this pattern right now, try to do this in the safe mode and just make sure that no third-party applications are affecting the way that your lock screen behaves, and also that your phone isn't lagging. So first, hold down the volume up key and the power button together, and then select reboot. Wait until your device turns on and you see the logo on your screen, and then once you see the logo, start pressing the volume down key and wait until your phone vibrates after that. But okay, let's take it step by step. So once you see the logo, start holding the volume down key and stop pressing it when you can feel your phone vibration. Okay, and once the phone vibrates, you can release the volume down key and just wait until your phone boots into the safe mode. If it's booted into the safe mode, you will see the safe mode indicator in the bottom corner of your screen, and then just try to enter your pattern, and in case it works for you, you can go to settings, wait until the settings screen loads, then go to fingerprints, face data and screen lock, select the screen lock, enter your pattern once again, and then select turn off screen lock, okay, and then normally restart your phone by holding down volume up key and the power button, select reboot, and this way you will regain the full access to your device. Now, if this didn't help you, then the best decision for you would be to contact the Xiaomi customer support service, tell them about your issue, and if you can prove the ownership of your device to them, they will most likely be able to help you solve your problem and let you regain access to your device without removing any personal information from it. Now, if you don't have such option, then the only solution for you would be to perform a factory reset operation on your phone. Now, if you don't know how to perform factory reset operation, well, you have two ways to do that. The first one would be using Find Hub service by Google, or Find My Device feature by Google. So if you have a Google account added to this device, then you can use Find Hub service that you can access from basically anywhere, from any other device with internet connection. Just go to your web browser and search for the Find Hub service. Then once you enter it, you have to go to the you have to sign into your Google account that is linked with this smartphone, and then just select this smartphone on the list and select the factory reset option, which is the last option on the features list that you can do with this device remotely. Now, once the data is erased from your phone, you'll be able to set it up as a new device. And in case you cannot do this either, you can perform a factory reset operation with recovery mode. And if you don't know how to use recovery mode on this phone, we have an entire video on our channel titled how to perform factory reset through recovery mode on Xiaomi Redmi 13. So if you need this that video, then go ahead and check it out. And for this one, that will be all. So thank you so much for watching it. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.